This is the MXF PTR2, our new stationary pipe threader. As you can already see, we have a foldable wheel cart for maximum mobility on our job site. Once we are at the desired spot, we put the tool down, open the latch on the side, and then simply pull it upwards. Quick and easy. The tool has a runtime of up to 120 cycles per charge, and the battery sits here in the front, covered by the door from any metal shavings or oil. Now I said 120 cycles, not 120 threads. This is the case as we can do 3 applications, which are pipe cutting, deburring, and finally threading. 3 steps make 1 cycle. We have 120 on 1 battery. And now let me show you how to use the tool in action.